Greenland is the world's largest island located between the Arctic and Atlantic Oceans. The name Greenland means land of people, and it came from the Scandinavian settlers. History tells us that Erik the Red was exiled from Iceland for murder. He left in a ship in search of new land that was to the northwest of Iceland. Erik deliberately gave the land a more appealing name than Iceland in order to lure potential settlers. By the year 1000, the Viking societies numbered some 3,000 inhabitants on 300 to 400 farms. The Viking society survived for 500 years. The reason for its disappearance remains a great mystery, but a colder climate, conflicts with the Inuit people, European pirates, overgrazing, and bouts of plague have all been put forward as possible causes of its demise. The population of Greenland is about 56,000 people in the whole country, in comparison to the state of Minnesota, which has 5.64 million people. About 89% of the population of Greenland are Inuit people. The Inuit people are a group of indigenous people of northern Alaska, Arctic Canada, and Greenland. On some maps, Greenland appears to be almost the size of North America. However, when we don't use a Mercator projection, we can understand how big the country actually is in comparison to other countries. Greenland is about 1/3 of the size of the United States, so it is actually much smaller than most maps make it look. Almost 80% of the country is covered by ice caps and glaciers. In the northern part of the country, hunters wear clothes that are made from animal hides, combined with some modern materials as well. Most of these northern settlements still rely on hunting for food. A lot of these towns now have heat and electricity. There are no roads in Greenland, so people travel by small planes, boats, and dog sleds. Greenland is a great place to live if you love nature, small communities, and you don't mind the cold. It is a beautiful country with mountains, water, ice, and wildlife. Greenland is influenced by the country of Denmark. Much of the population in Nuuk, the capital city, is from Denmark. Greenland is a mix of old and new, and the future for Greenland is unpredictable. Because the ice is melting due to climate change, life is changing for the people who live in Greenland.